Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a quick throw together chicken and hash brown casserole. I'll be starting off with 2 raw chicken breasts that I've diced into bite-sized pieces. Next in is a 30-ounce bag of frozen hash brown potatoes that I allowed to defrost in the refrigerator overnight. 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Today I'm using Cabot's Seriously Sharp Cheddar. I really like the flavor that it adds to casseroles. The next thing I'm adding in is a packet of dry vegetable soup mix. This could also be like a chicken or mushroom soup if you prefer. Or if you can't find the dry, you can certainly use a can of the cream of either chicken, mushroom, or celery. I just added in a half of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next in is 1 cup of sour cream. In here I have 1/4 cup of diced white onions. And finally 1/2 cup of melted butter. Once all the ingredients are mixed together, they get added into a well-greased casserole dish. The casserole is now ready to go into a 350-degree oven where it's going to bake for about 60 to 65 minutes or until it's baked all the way through and the top is turned a light golden brown. Once the casserole came out of the oven, I did allow it to sit on the counter for about 5 minutes just to cool down a little bit. And then I garnished it with just a little bit of sliced green onions. And I must say, it's not the prettiest looking dish, but it smells absolutely fantastic. My house has smelled amazing for the last like 40 minutes. All right, let's dive in and try this out and see what it tastes like. It definitely tastes as good as it smells. The chicken is very tender, kind of just melts in your mouth. The seasoning is really well balanced all throughout it. I really like that vegetable soup mix I added into there. I'm going to have to get that stuff again. The only thing I regret doing is putting it in this casserole dish. I kind of wish I put it in a 9 by 13 inch pan and made it just a little bit thinner. That way I would have gotten just a little bit more of that crunchy surface on top because that part is amazing. But overall, the whole dish is really good. You get a nice little tang from the sour cream and that sharp cheddar cheese. Overall, this is something I will definitely want to be making again. But unfortunately, that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.